Hi, I'm Avrumi Glaser, and this is Kol Geula. Our sages reveal that Galus and Geulah are not only about history, they are mindsets, inner states of being. The Shlag Kaddish writes, Da ki Galus ikare bavur hadas, v'im yasig adam das amitis kvar nigal. Exile exists because of a lack of true awareness, but the moment a person attains genuine knowledge, he's already redeemed. The Zohar says, "Begalusa dichsiv nashisa es Hashem leikecha, ubegeula dichsiv zacha tizka." Exile means forgetting Hashem, while redemption means remembering Him. And the Baal Shem Tov teaches, "Hagalus hu kshe ha'adam choishev es atzmai nifrad me'Hashem yisbarach, aval kshe ma'amin be'emes she'eino ed milvadoi zehu geula." Exile is when a person thinks of himself separate from Hashem. Redemption is when he realizes deeply that there is nothing besides Him. So Galus and Geulah are not just about where we are in history, but about how we live inside ourselves, our inner states of being. Two people can stand side by side in the same world, one in exile and the other already redeemed, depending on their mindset. I want to share with you a story from my own life that brought this idea home for me. When I was 21, I was learning in the Mir Yeshiva in Yerushalayim. Over time, I found that the standard schedule didn't fit where I was holding. My chavrusa and I could have stayed stuck, feeling like outsiders. We had a lot of friends who were in the same boat as us. Being in Besmedrash at 9 a.m. at that age and stage in life just wasn't feasible. But one night, we looked at each other and asked, why don't we start our own chabura? At first, it sounded unrealistic, but we tried. 15 guys joined us. Eventually, it grew to 80. We built our own schedule, chose the topics we were passionate about, and created an environment that inspired us, with Shabbatons and trips. What looked like a dead end became one of the most meaningful periods of my life. That was a moment of Geula for me, not because the world changed, but because our mindset changed, from seeing only limitation to seeing the possibilities. And this is exactly what I do today at the Possible Youth Seminar, together with my father, Rabbi Glaser, and the team. I mention it not as a commercial, but as part of my journey. I've seen again and again how people break free from their old limiting beliefs, from their personal galus, and step into the mindset of Geula. It's not abstract, it's real, and I've watched it transform many lives. So how can you begin to live in a Geula mindset right now? Practice gratitude each day. Notice what's already good in your life. Whether it's your family, friends, parnasa, think of the good side of everything. Gratitude shifts your thinking from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance. Reframe challenges. Instead of asking, why me? Ask, what challenge is Hashem giving me here and now for my personal growth? Take one step of possibility. Choose one area of your life where you feel you've been stuck, and ask, what new possibility can I create here? These aren't massive changes. They are shifts in your perception, and those shifts can change your entire life. The Rambam in Hilchos Melachim says, "Ba'osei hazman lo yeshem lo rav lo milchama lo kinav lo sacharus, v'atova tiyeh mushpa'as habe." At that time, there will be a world without hunger, without jealousy, without war. It might feel far away, but the mindset of Geula is available today. Every time you choose hope over despair, gratitude over complaint, trust over fear, you are already stepping into redemption. The deepest exile is believing you're trapped. The deepest Geula is realizing you're free to begin again. The question is, will you live today in Galus, or will you step into Geula? Thanks for watching.